Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to taste test pancake and syrup Peeps, just in time for Easter. My opinion first.
Don't animal me.
So what were your thoughts on that?
It smelled more like pancakes than it tasted like pancakes.
That's very true. What were your thoughts on it?
And it tasted like syrup without the pancakes.
What were the pros of the pancake and syrup Peeps? Ariel?
That it tasted good. It smelled like syrup.
That's a good pro. What are the cons?
That it smelled like syrup more than it tasted like
yeah.
it.
And Liz? What were the pros and cons?
The pros of the peep. It's a peep, I guess.
That's one of my pros. It's a peep. It smelled more like syrup than tasted like it. It's a peep. So the rating for the pancake and syrup Peeps, 4 light bulbs. We expected more. Maybe
Or I mean in
too
that
much.
way.
Maybe some pancakes inside of the package with a little bit, yeah, with some syrup to drizzle on top.
I think cinnamon bun Peeps would have been better.
Yeah.
But now I'm just going all out. So yeah.
Now, a suggestion from one of our subscribers, Savannah. Here we have Hunt's tomato ketchup and French's classic yellow mustard. And we have bananas. Ariel can't have bananas because she's allergic to them.
Does this give you nostalgia, Liz?
When I used to eat bananas with ketchup? No.
She said it might taste good or bad, so she wants to know.
There are no other options and I'm kind of scared.
It has to be drenched.
Oh my god. So,
I'm just gonna get all of it.
oh my god. Alright,
Okay.
you go first.
You know, it's the mustard that makes it bad.
You're a trooper.
It's the mustard, huh? That makes it weird.
It's interesting for sure. I mean,
Is there anything good about it?
not really, no.
Do you give it a rating?
Yeah, do you?
No.
No, it would be 0. I mean, if we're doing a rating system, then 0 light bulbs.
It works.
Maybe without the mustard, it might have been better.
Thanks, Savannah.
Well, thanks for watching our video where we tried out the pancake and syrup Peeps and also regrettably tried the ketchup, mustard, and bananas. So we would love to hear your thoughts or suggestions on what we should try next. So don't forget to leave a comment down below. And we'll see you next time.
Romans 6, verse 5 through 6. For we have been planted together in the likeness of his death, we shall be also in the likeness of his resurrection, knowing this, that our old man is crucified with him, that the body of sin might be destroyed, that henceforth we would not serve sin. When you get into covenant with God. The former dies. The things you did in the past, His blood heals you, and in a symbolic way, the person you were before is crucified and dies, and He makes you come alive through His blood. The same way that He was risen from the dead. He takes you out of the sin, out of the darkness, and He rises you up the same way He was risen. Everything that you did in the past is gone, and you're a new person in Christ.